Hi everybody, I'm giving you a little bit of an update on the Sophus house project. We've got another bath bay in over here. Haven't done anything more with the trim around the windows. Upstairs, we're finishing some chinking. We got this bath bay in here, and we haven't gotten this window insulated or the window bucks cut down. You see how they stick out further than the window frame? These all have to be cut down or planed down so that we get the Galdang trim on them, or we put extension jams on them to 1/8 of an inch. The big accomplishment this week is our ceiling beams got installed finally, and we are framing in the fireplace, which got delivered this week. We got 2 more beams that are going to hit the fireplace over there, and we got to put those in. And these are actually the floor joists that originally were in my grandparents' log cabin. So anyhow, glad to see that we finally got them installed here, because there's really no point in putting them in those other rooms that I just showed you. We got a couple more posts to put in, and the railings over there can go in after we get all this scaffolding and crap out of here. And anyhow, that's about where we are at. This is our fireplace here. It's a 42-inch heat and glow fireplace, which is an actual wood-burning fireplace. Everyone's told me that there should be a gas fireplace because everybody's too lazy to burn wood, but for those people, we can put a gas log in it. You can't burn wood in a gas fireplace, I'll tell you that. So anyhow, we had a last minute change in plans because we didn't meet some clearance spaces inside the chase, but we got it figured out, and we're gonna be installing it next week. So check in with us then, and we'll share that with you. Thanks.